Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this warm cinematic orange coloring in CapCut. So first you need to add your clips and then just go to filter. Click on the live category in the filter and then select the live to filter. Okay, this one. And then here you need to go to adjust and follow this adjustment. For the saturations, increase it to 20 and then click on the HSL. Now click on the red color, increase the saturation to 45 and then on the orange one, increase the saturation to 60. Yellow saturation 100. And now you can just go back, click on the grabs and then use the curve that I'm about to show you for the white, green and blue colors. So here I'm going to add a point like this and then you can just adjust it like this for the white color. Okay. And then for the green color, you need to also add point like this. Okay. And the last one, the blue color. Okay, lower it like this. And after that you can just go back and now click on the temperature and increase it to 24 and then set the hue, lower it to -20 and you are done and you'll get this warm orange color for your video. Okay, so that's all from me. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and also click on the thanks button. Bye.